Bill of Rights, Article 3, Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of the laws. Section 2. The right of the people to be secure their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches, and seizure of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be inviolable, and no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination, under oath or affirmation of the complainant. And the witness he may produce, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons of or things to be seized. Section 3. The privacy communication of the correspondent shall be inviolable, except upon lawful order of the court or when public safety or orders requires otherwise as prescribed by the laws. Any evidence obtained in violation of this or the proceeding section shall be inviolable for any purpose in any proceeding. Section 4. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech of expression, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and petition the government for redress or grievances. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, the free exercise and enjoyment of religious protection, and worship without discrimination or preferences, shall forever be allowed. No religious test shall be required for the exercise of civil or political rights. Section 6. The liberty of above and of charging the same within the within time limits prescribed by law shall not be impaired, except upon lawful orders of the court. Neither shall the right to travel be impaired, except in the interest of national security, public safety, or public health, as may be provided by law. Section 7. The right of the people to information on matters of public concern shall be recognized access to official records and to documents and proper person papers fronting to official acts, transaction, or division, as well as to government research afforded the citizens subject to such limitation as may provided by the law. Section 8. The right of the people, including those employed in public and private sector, to form unions, association, or associate for purpose not contrary to law shall not be abridged. Private property. Section 9. Private property shall not be taken from public use without just comparison. Section 10. No law impairing the obligation of contracts shall be passed. Section 11. Free access to the courts and quasi-judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person by reason of poverty.